Amazing paintings.
They are terrific, aren't they? Some weather, Julie.
And there's quite a lot to talk about.
That's very good, yes.
Yes. Well, a beautiful afternoon for sitting on a bench and just watching the world go by, especially with temperatures in the best of this sunshine, up to 16 degrees Celsius today, which was a very mild 61 degrees Fahrenheit. But for many of us, it was actually quite a cloudy start to the day. But if I show you the satellite sequence, you can see through the latter part of the morning and afternoon, we lost a lot of that cloud. So for many of us, unbroken sunshine this afternoon. And I, for one, would have liked to have been on one of these boats at Brundall in Norfolk. Now tonight it looks like it's going to stay dry, but I think we're going to see pretty extensive low cloud mist and some dense fog developing. It's going to be quite chilly as well. I think we're looking at temperatures down to around 2 or 3 Celsius in some spots, but most of us should stay frost free, and we're looking at mainly light southwesterly winds. So tomorrow we've got this very, very mild air coming up from North Africa, but for some of us, some dense fog patches for the morning rush hour, and that could be slow to clear. So we start off, I think, everywhere with this mist, low cloud and fog, and then for most of us it should start to clear away and we should see a lot of unbroken sunshine developing. But this is where the computer thinks we'll hold on to the fog and the low cloud for longest, and consequently this is where we'll see temperatures not quite so mild, still above average, which is 7 Celsius for this time of year, but I think closer to the coast around sort of 10 to 12 Celsius, whereas further inland where we've got the best of the sunshine, about 13 or 14 Celsius quite widely. And like today, we could see an odd 15 or 16 Celsius in some spots, with mainly light south to southeasterly winds. So that's Friday, and then on Saturday we've still got that high pressure centred over the near continent, keeping this weather front at bay. So it is another dry day. Again, probably some mist, fog and low cloud around first thing, but then for many of us, plenty of Saturday sunshine. But on Saturday, it's perhaps the west that holds on to the fog and low cloud for longest. But again, we're looking at above average temperatures widely of 14 Celsius, but again, perhaps something a bit higher in the best of that sunshine. And spot the difference when it comes to the pressure pattern for Sunday and actually through next week, because high pressure stays with us, so it keeps us day to day with a very similar forecast. Probably some mist and fog most mornings, but then that should clear for most of us, and then lots of very warm sunshine and these mild temperatures way above average. Again, by Wednesday, we're looking at highs of around 16 degrees Celsius and light winds. But of course, where we keep the mist and fog, temperatures will be cooler and we'll have cloudier skies. And it looks like we've still got some very chilly nights to come. On some nights, temperatures close to freezing, if not below. So on Sunday night now, we could well see something as low as -3, and then by Wednesday, as those temperatures start to climb again by day, I think we'll have a slightly milder night too, with a low of around 5 degrees Celsius. That's the forecast. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying the sunshine, and I'll hopefully see you a little bit later. See you then. Bye bye.